Hey everyone, welcome to the channel Trading for Beginner. In this video, you will learn how you can easily download or install eToro app on your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get started. Click on the App Store. You can find the blue icon there, and in the search bar, you can just type in eToro. You can find various of options available here. Click on the second one, which is the green icon, and click on the Get or the Download button to get started. If you are downloading it for the first time, it may ask for your identity verification. Verify your identity either with the Touch ID or the Face ID. That will begin the download process. Now the final eToro has been installed in your device. Click on the Open to explore the app. You can allow the notification if you want to get notified about the updates of this app. Explore the app by yourself. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.